Hello guys, welcome back to Roladel Business, and into this video I'm going to show you how we can be making up to 50,000 naira to 100,000 naira daily with this arbitrage opportunity that I'm going to show you in this video. There is a free money making opportunity, so make sure to watch the video from the very beginning to the end so you don't miss any important information that I am going to share with you today. After watching this, and if you have any questions for me, drop your questions in the comment box below and I'm going to attend to you, or you are going to see other people right here that will answer your questions immediately. Also, if you are coming across the channel for the first time, this is Roladel Business, where we show videos on how to make money online. It's clear that what we do in this channel is to go out there and search for online opportunities, and when we see something that is working, what we do is to come to this channel and make a video about it to show our subscribers. That's to say, if you haven't subscribed, do that immediately so you don't miss any of our future videos. And once you are done with that, whenever we upload a new update or a new video, or what is currently paying and what is currently making money online, YouTube is going to send you a notification and you'll be one of the first persons to come here, watch the video, implement the strategy that I'm going to teach in the video, and you make more money for yourself. Also, don't forget to join our Telegram group after watching this video. Roladel is a freelance marketplace that gives you the opportunity to make money online by watching YouTube videos like this one you're watching right now. So, do well to join now if you like making money online. So guys, with that being said, let's get into the video. So, we are going to be making use of our P2P markets on Binance, and as you can see here on P2P markets, the prices are not always the same. And right here, you can see that the coins that are usually used for these arbitrage opportunities are the coins at the top right here. So I always use USDT to swap other coins, and I'm going to show you how I do everything step by step. So guys, once we are over here on our Binance P2P, all you got to do is go ahead and look for someone you can buy USDT from. And after we have seen someone that you want to buy from, you are going to go ahead and choose any one of your choice. And you click on buy. Let's go ahead and input 100,000 naira. You can also do this arbitrage with 50,000 naira as well, depending on you, if that's what you have. Just that the profits won't be the same. So, as you can see, you are going to be receiving 143.27 USSD. So, go ahead and click on buy with zero fee. I'm not going to buy this coin because I already have USDT available on my account that I want to use for this arbitrage. So I'm going to click off. Once you have what you are using right here, the next thing you are going to do is convert this USDT to one of these coins right here. The coins that I usually use for this arbitrage to make my profit is Ethereum, BNB, and BTC. Most of the time guys, when you come here and you have to do this arbitrage, the profit differs between the coins, and most times when you come here, the profit from Ethereum might be higher than the profit from BTC, and sometimes the profit from BTC might be higher than the one from Ethereum, likewise BNB too. So you're going to go ahead and click the ones that the rates and the profits are higher. Then you go with any of them. Let's go with BTC for the sake of this video. So we are going to convert our USDT to BTC, and for you to convert your coin, there are two ways to convert your coin on Binance application. The first one is converting through spot trading, and the spot trading Binance is going to take fees for you converting your coins from one coin to another. So we are going to use another method that we are not going to spend any fee converting our coin, and that method is this one right here. We are going to go ahead and click on convert. Then, once you click on convert, you are going to select the coin you want to convert from here, which is USDT to BTC. Once you select that, the next thing you are going to do is input how much you want to convert. Remember, we bought 143.61 USDT, so we want to convert it to BTC. Click on preview conversion right here. Once you click on preview conversion, then it's going to show us the amount of BTC we are going to receive for our USDT. And as you can see here, we are converting this with zero fees. But if you use the other option, which is spot trading to convert, Binance is going to take fees for conversion and is going to reduce the amount of profits you are going to make from this particular arbitrage opportunity. Take note of this amount of BTC that we are going to receive for our 143 USDT. And remember, we bought these 143 USDT with 100,000 naira. Click on this one that says convert down here. Then, once we have converted our USDT to BTC or any other coin that you want to go with, then we come back to our P2P section. Now, we want to sell our BTC. You click on sell and click on BTC. And I want you to go ahead here and click on this filter and remove it from only merchants. Once you've done that, you click on confirm, right? Then, you go ahead and look for someone that you want to trade with. Like I've told you guys, make sure that the person you are trading with has a good review. So, you go ahead and select any one of your choice and click on sell. You can remember, we converted this amount of BTC right here, and this is the amount of BTC we received. And this BTC right here is going to give us these amounts right here. Before you click off from this video, guys, I want to say something very important. You see this game right here that we are making, it's not always constant. Yesterday, I was able to make 2,000 Naira per trade using only 50,000 Naira for this arbitrage opportunity. And I did it over and over and over again until the market. And it wasn't profitable anymore. So I went off the market. So, if you want to be profitable with this arbitrage opportunity that I'm sharing with you in this video, all you have to do is to come to Binance frequently to check the rates and the prices of cryptos currently on the market. The prices are always changing, and most times, when you see the market price high, then you jump right inside the market and make your arbitrage. Make your profit and keep making your profit to the market until it is not profitable anymore. So, if you want to be profitable with this, always check your Binance. Always make sure you are checking the prices of crypto in this Binance application so that when the price of a crypto is high, then you jump right inside and make your profit. And you can do it over and over again. When you see that the market is no longer profitable, you jump out of the market. It's as simple as that. And as you can see, we use 100,000 Naira for this arbitrage. And as you can see here, with 100,000 Naira, we are able to make this profit. So, we can go back and do this over and over again as we sell this USD right here. We receive our money, we go back again, we buy USD, we convert it, and still make another profit. We keep doing that, and just imagine you've done this like 20 to 30 times before the market drops. You make 30,000 Naira profit just today, and you can still check back whenever the market is profitable. This is what I'm doing to make money with this arbitrage opportunity that I'm sharing with you in this video, and it is very, very profitable. So, jump inside this arbitrage opportunity and make money for yourself. It's very unlimited, and you can do it over and over again. That is just the beautiful part of this. You just have to always check your Binance app to know when the prices are going up and always jump right inside when the rates are very high. And you make your profit over and over again before the market drops. When the market drops and you see that the market is no longer profitable, then you jump out of the market. If you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed this content, I want you to go ahead and press the like button. Click on the like button and also click on the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything on this channel anymore. Jump right inside this arbitrage opportunity that I shared with you on this video and let me know how it worked for you in the comment section. If you haven't joined Roladel Telegram group, Roladel is a freelance marketplace that gives you the opportunity to make money online by watching YouTube videos. So, do well to join now if you like making money online. You will also see other people right there that will help you to achieve your goals. And any question you have, you can drop your question on the Telegram group. And you see people right there to answer your question. So, with that being said, I'm going to see you guys in my next video.